Hi friends. Welcome to Content Factory. Today I am talking about under the water life. Marine life, sea life, or ocean life is the plants, animals and other organisms that live in the salt water of seas or oceans, or the brackish water of coastal estuaries. At a fundamental level, marine life affects the nature of the planet. Marine organisms, mostly microorganisms, produce oxygen and sequester carbon. Marine life in part shape and protect shorelines, and some marine organisms even help create new land, e.g. coral-building reefs. Most life forms evolved initially in marine habitats. By volume, oceans provide about 90% of the living space on the planet. The earliest vertebrates appeared in the form of fish, which live exclusively in water. Some of these evolved into amphibians, which spend portions of their lives in water and portions on land. One group of amphibians evolved into reptiles and mammals, and a few subsets of each returned to the ocean as sea snakes, sea turtles, seals, manatees, and whales. Plant forms such as kelp and other algae grow in the water and are the basis for some underwater ecosystems. Plankton forms the general foundation of the ocean food chain, particularly phytoplankton, which are key primary producers. Marine invertebrates exhibit a wide range of modifications to survive in poorly oxygenated waters, including breathing tubes as in mollusk siphons. Fish have gills instead of lungs, although some species of fish, such as the lungfish, have both. Marine mammals, e.g. dolphins, whales, otters, and seals, need to surface periodically to breathe air. More than 200,000 marine species have been documented, and perhaps 2 million marine species are yet to be documented. Marine species range in size from the microscopic like phytoplankton, which can be as small as 0.02 micrometers, to huge cetaceans like the blue whale, the largest known animal, reaching 33 meters, 108 feet, in length, 5/6 marine microorganisms, including protists and bacteria and their associated viruses, have been variously estimated as constituting about 70% or about 90% of the total marine biomass. Marine life is studied scientifically in both marine biology and in biological oceanography. There is no life without water. 9. It has been described as the universal solvent for its ability to dissolve many substances, and as the solvent of life. Water is the only common substance to exist as a solid, liquid, and gas under conditions normal to life on Earth. The Nobel Prize winner Albert Szent-Györgyi referred to water as the mater und matrix, the mother and womb of life. The abundance of surface water on Earth is a unique feature in the solar system. Earth's hydrosphere consists chiefly of the oceans, but technically includes all water surfaces in the world, including inland seas, lakes, rivers, and underground waters down to a depth of 2,000 meters, 6,600 feet. The deepest underwater location is Challenger Deep of the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, having a depth of 10,900 meters, 6.8 miles. Conventionally, the planet is divided into 5 separate oceans, but these oceans all connect into a single world ocean. The mass of this world ocean is 1.35 times 1,018 metric tons, or about 1/4400 of Earth's total mass. The world ocean covers an area of 3.618 by 108 square kilometers with a mean depth of 3,682 m, resulting in an estimated volume of 1.332 by 109 cubic kilometers. If all of Earth's crustal surface was at the same elevation as a smooth sphere, the depth of the resulting world ocean would be about 2.7 kilometers. The oceans are also a reservoir of dissolved atmospheric gases, which are essential for the survival of many aquatic life forms. Seawater has an important influence on the world's climate, with the oceans acting as a large heat reservoir. Altogether, the ocean occupies 71% of the world's surface, averaging nearly 3.7 kilometers, 2.3 miles, in depth, 27, by volume. The ocean provides about 90% of the living space on the planet. The science fiction writer Arthur C. Clarke has pointed out, it would be more appropriate to refer to planet Earth as planet ocean. However, water is found elsewhere in the solar system. Europa, one of the moons orbiting Jupiter, is slightly smaller than the Earth's moon. There is a strong possibility a large saltwater ocean exists beneath its ice surface. It has been estimated the outer crust of solid ice is about 10 to 30 kilometers, 6 to 19 miles, thick, and the liquid ocean underneath is about 100 kilometers, 60 miles, deep. This would make Europa's ocean over twice the volume of the Earth's ocean. There has been speculation Europa's ocean could support life, and could be capable of supporting multicellular microorganisms if hydrothermal vents are active on the ocean floor. Enceladus, a small icy moon of Saturn, also has what appears to be an underground ocean which actively vents warm water from the moon's surface. Meet the deepest fish in the ocean, a new species named the Mariana snailfish by an international team of researchers that discovered it. The Mariana snailfish, Pseudoliparus swirii, thrives at depths of up to about 8,000 meters, 26,200 feet, along the Mariana Trench near Guam. The basking shark is the second largest fish in the world, and like the largest fish, the whale shark, and the largest animal. Basking sharks are filter feeders that eat tiny, planktonic prey. 29 inches, 6.2 to 7.3 millimeters, the smallest fish in the world is the male Photocoronus spinoceps. Not only is it the smallest fish in the world, but it's also the world's smallest known vertebrate. Estimates of sponge longevity vary quite a bit, but are often in the thousands of years. One study in the journal Aging Research Reviews notes a deep-sea sponge from the species Monoraphis chuni lived to be 11,000 years old. Yes, a sponge is an animal, and it has a remarkable lifespan. They host 80% of the planet's biodiversity, and are the largest ecosystem on Earth. Fish provide 20% of animal protein to about 3 billion people. Only 10 species provide about 30% of marine capture fisheries, and 10 species provide about 50% of aquaculture production. Subscribe this channel to get more informative video.